before Christmas and haven't done anything about it because, you know, Christmas. I better get going on it. That's what it looks like. Got their little sticker on it. If you don't know We Blessings, it's I think it's $8 shipping, and if you buy anything, I think they take the $8 off, and then everything is like brand names you've heard of, like Macy's, Dillard's, those kinds of places carry those brands, and everything's 40 to 60% off. So let's see what I got. It's like a huge bundle, and then you get a return envelope, and here is the price list. So don't forget, refer a friend and get a $50 credit on your next shipment. Cool. So if any of you, I'll put a link below if any of you decide to try it, please use my link. So I got 7 pieces. Cheapest one's $14, most expensive ones, a couple of them for $25. Alrighty, and it looks like all of them are at least 50% or more off. Well, that one's probably 40% off, but anyway, let's see what's in here. One thing I like about the way they do this is they package it in the same order it's on the receipt. This is kind of dressy. I'm not sure I would wear this. It's kind of a wear it to work thing. It's really long. I don't know if it's a dress or a tunic. See what it says. JM collection, black and blue, long sleeve diamond top, petite extra large, retail price $64.50. My cost $24. So it is a top. It's just a long top. Righty. I probably wouldn't buy this one because, well, they said there was a jacket in here and I was hoping I would like it, but it's like a turtleneck. So I'm not gonna like that unless, like, it's got a zipper, so maybe I can put the zipper down enough where it's not gonna bug me. Yeah, like that. So it's like a zips all the way, and then it's got pockets in the front with little buttony things on it. Need a lot of jackets here in Texas. It's kind of sort of medium weight, I would say. Karen Scott Sport black zip-up jacket. Original cost $54.50. My cost $24. So more than half off. Ooh, I like this. Hopefully this one fits. I think this is cute. This is me, more me. It's a sweater with like the little chevrons down the front on both sides. I like it. Style and Company gray and black, long sleeve knit sweater, woman's extra large. Retail price $59.50, $24. So this one's definitely 60% off. It's a shorter in the front than the back. See? This one reminds me of the one I have on, kind of, because it's kind of the same material and it's got G-jaws in the front. It's a purple. I like purple. Kind of purple-y, not hardcore purple. I don't know what color they'd call it. Wine, maybe? A plum. Okay, Lucky Brand, plum, stitch work, long sleeve shirt, women's extra large. Original price $49.50. My cost $25, so that's about 50% off. Here's a, I don't know. This is, I can't decide kind of one. Could look frumpy old lady, could look cute. This is one of those you're gonna have to try it on ones. It's got buttons all the way down the front, which sometimes when you're busty is problematic, so we'll see about this one. almost all tops, it looks like. This one is, oh, I thought that was black, but I guess it is navy. It says white and navy. Karen Scott, original price $54, mine cost $25. Up another top. Two more tops. They just keep coming. This one's a sweater with kind of a, oh, I don't know what you would call this. This has a name. Marble look. It's got big sleeves. Usually those bug me because I've got short arms and then they flop down over my hands because I've got short little arms, short little legs. But it's got that same kind of ruffly look at the bottom too. So it might be really cute on, but I don't really need another sweater, but maybe. Oh, it's only $19. Or is it? Oh, yep, it is $19. 40 Styling Company, original price $49.50, cost $19. And these are leggings, flowered leggings. Actually kind of like flowered leggings. Would they go with this? Kind of, maybe. And try them on together and see. And the leggings are Old Navy blue and white floral leggings, petite 2XL, $24.99 down to $14. Alrighty, let's try some of this stuff on. See what we think. Alrighty, now what are we gonna do with all this stuff? This one I really liked. What'd you think? It's lightweight sweater, so nice for here in Texas in the winter. I thought it was really cute. This one is $24. This one didn't fit. It was too small. It's this plum one. It's $25, but it didn't fit, so. This one didn't really fit right either. The buttons were gappy and I wasn't 100% loving it, so this one's $25, but it's a no. This one I liked it. I thought it looked good, but it's more like a wear it to work kind of top. I wouldn't ever have anywhere to wear it. It's $24, so it's a good bargain. I like it. If I was working, I'd definitely get it, but not working. So this one, the jacket, I don't know, what do you think? I usually just wear a jean jacket, or if it gets really cold, a heavy jacket, but this is a kind of a nice jacket. It is $24, so it's a maybe. And then these two together, I really liked the pair of the sweater and the leggings. The leggings are $14 and the sweater is $19. So this whole outfit is only $35. So I'm seriously considering getting these two. I thought they went cute together, and anyway, so $35 plus each of these were $24. So let's just say $50. So the gray sweater, the jacket, and that outfit with the leggings, the total is only like $85. So not bad for 4 pieces. I don't know. I'll have to decide. Let's see if there's a date on this when this has to go back. I don't see a date on it. 10 days. But I don't think I got this 3 or 4 days ago, so I got a few more days. I think I got this maybe the 22nd or 3rd, and today's the 26th. So got a few more days to decide. So let me know what you think.